In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename a campaign in Lemlist. So start from your dashboard and in the left panel, go to campaigns. So here, locate the campaign you would like to update. So just click on it to open it up. And if you look at the top of your screen, you'll see the current campaign name. So all you have to do is click on it to start editing it. And here, simply type in your new campaign name. Ideally, something clear and descriptive like the target audience or campaign goal. And once done, simply press enter or click anywhere outside the field to save your changes. Your campaign name will then update instantly across your dashboard. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!